Yes, good mornings, everyone. This is Mylene Cruz, and I am going to present to you the compensation plan of this amazing iTerra Care device. Yeah, you heard it right po. Compensation plan. Ibig sabihin, you did not just invest in your health, but of course, in your wealth as well. Okay, so if you were able to buy po an iTerra Classic device or whatever na iTerra Care product po from Prive International, meron po kayong negosyo na kasama doon. Okay, so eto po, we have entry packages na tinatawag. So if you were able to buy the iTerra Classic o yung Ion Shield po, yung ating invisible face mask, or yung iTerra Care, yung flask po natin na Seven Wonders, or yung bago po natin ngayon na Premium Plus. Yan po ay silver package. So ito po usually is my 200 point value. And the other one naman po, we have another package which is gold. Ito naman po is kung nakabili kayo ng premium or tatlong iTerra Classic, no? Equivalent po yan sa 600 point value, or BioLite naman po yung nabili ninyo, yung parang nagpang foot spa, no? Yung sa paa, so yan po ay gold or 600 point value po ang equivalent niyan. So if you were able to buy the Bio, no, yung malaki, or kaya yung iTerra Care Pro, or yung OxyTop natin, that's equivalent to a diamond package. So ibig pong sabihin, meron po kayong negosyo na not just here in the Philippines. Congratulations to you. Kasi ang business mo is over 80 countries. Yes, you heard it right. Meron po tayong 23 country branches. We have 32 country stockists, 26 state stockist within 28 months. Yes, ang atin pong companies just operating for more than 2 years pa lang right now. Pero tingnan nyo naman po, napakadami na nating coverage. At syempre, kung tayo po ay nasa distribution business, usually po nagkakaproblema yan sa logistics. But in our case, kahit nandito kayo sa Pilipinas at ang inyo pong napagkwentuhan ay nasa US, okay? You just have to text them or message them the link, okay? At pwede na po silang mag-order. Iko-connect nyo lang po sila in just few minutes, okay? At ang US stockist na po ang mag-a-arrange ng kanilang delivery. Wow, within 3 to 5 days, makukuha po yan agad in the US. At ganun din po sa Canada, sa Europe, sa Australia, sa UAE, Dubai, di ba? Name it. Nako, nagkalat na po tayo sa buong mundo. Alright, so yan po ang ating business. At syempre, bakit mo naman isi-share ito? 'Di ba? Syempre, automatically, kapag nag-improve ang health mo, bilang natural na marites, no? Ikikwento natin yan. At syempre, makikita din yan ng mga kakilala natin, kaibigan natin, kung katulad ni Sir Ian na dati merong malaking bukol dito, no? For 58 years at nakita nila bigla na nawala ang bukol, nag-flatten, of course, automatically magtatanong, anong ginawa, 'di ba? O kaya naman pipilay-pilay ka dati, meron kang cane, no? Or kaya naka-wheelchair ka, tas biglang naglalakad ka na. So, syempre, magtatanong ang mga kaibigan mo or mga kakilala mo. So, pag nagtanong sila sa'yo, okay, anong nangyari? So, syempre, magkukwento ka. I-share mo kung ano yung blessing na meron na nangyari sa'yo, no? Na nag-improve ang health mo. So, with that, you sharing, okay, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng income. Alright? At ito po, we have 8 ways to generate an income by just sharing the blessing or the product, no, na nakapag-improve ng health natin. So kapag tayo po ay nakapag-sponsor ng isang tao, magkakaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na sponsorship bonus. At ito pong pangalawa is yung redemption bonus. So ito pong first and second way to earn is pareha po yung nakukuha kung ikaw yung directly nag-sponsor or ikaw yung isinulat na sponsor nung nag-register na tao. Okay? And then, ito naman pong number 3 and 4, the pairing bonuses, isa pong level pairing at group pairing bonus. So, dalawa po yan. We are hybrid binary. So when you say binary, ang income po natin is based on the pairing also. Alright? At meron po tayong tinatawag na leadership bonus, yung pang number 5, and then unilevel bonus, rank up bonus, and global profit bonus. So ito po, I will discuss this to you one by one. Okay? So, ang direct sponsorship bonus is taken from the point value per package. So, ang basis po ng computation natin ng ating mga commissions dito ay ang point value, not the price. Remember po kasi iba-iba po ang prices natin per country, di ba nagvavary yan because of the duties and taxes. So, ang commission po natin, kaya po siya seamless, kahit nasaan kayong parte ng mundo, isa lang po ang computation ng ating commission kasi nagbe-base po siya sa point value. So every product po meron po yung point value. So when you say direct sponsor, ikaw ang personally ang nag-invite doon sa taong yon. At once nag-register at ikaw ang inilagay na direct sponsor, you will earn 10% from the point value per package. So kung silver package ang binili sa'yo, you will earn $20 for that. Kasi 200 point value po ang silver, so 10% po nun is $20. Ganun din po sa gold package. Sa gold package is 600 point value, kaya po $60. At kung diamond package, kung ang binili niya is yung Pro o kaya yung iTera Bio, di ba? So diamond package po yun, you will get 10% of that. Kaya that's $200 kung Pro. At yun po, no? 10%. At kung bio naman po ang binili, which is 2,500 point value, 10% nun is $250. Okay? So, yun po ang direct sponsorship bonus. Ito po is encashable. Alright? And another na mai-earn ninyo kapag kayo ang direct sponsor is itong redemption bonus. Ang ibig pong sabihin nito is redeemable. So, sa pag-silver package po, $70. Kapag gold naman, $240. At kapag diamond po ang ininyong nabenta, for example, yung BioLite na merong free na Pro, di ba? So, eto po, you will get $1,250 for the diamond package. O kung Pro naman ang nabenta ninyo, $1,000. Eto po, ay pwede nyo po itong i-redeem. Ibig pong sabihin ng pwedeng i-redeem, pwede nyo po siyang maklaim, no? So sa case po ng, for example, diamond package nga ang nabenta ninyo, $1,000, no? Every dollar po, $1 is equivalent to 1 point value or interchangeable siya, no? So, kung $1,000 po ang inyong redeemable, ibig pong sabihin nun, pwede kayong makaredeem ng isang iTera Classic kasi 350 na yung iTera Classic natin at isang Premium Plus kasi 650 point value po yun. Alright? At kung gusto nyo naman na puro Classic, magdadagdag lang kayo ng $50. But, of course, di ba, ang laki agad, makakakuha ka agad ng mga products na pwede mo lang ma-redeem. Di ba? And it's part of your direct sponsorship. So, pag ikaw directly ang nakasponsor ng distributor na pumasok, nag-register, dalawa ang income mo. Isang encashable at isang redeemable. Itong number 2. Alright. So, another income or way to earn is yung tinatawag natin na every level pairing bonus, which is you will earn 40% of every first pair in all levels for family and placement hierarchy. So, paano naman po yun? Ito pong every level pairing bonus. Ito po yung, dahil nga po hybrid binary tayo, when you see binary, left and right. Pag-place lang po ito, no? Paglalagay lang sa structure or pag nag-register kayo, automatic kasi na ang first na na-register ninyo is malalagay po siya sa left side. Meron po tayong tinatawag na auto placement. System po ang naglalagay nun. Okay, wala kayong choice, but ang system po ang maglalagay niya sa left kasi meron po nga tayong auto placement. Okay, for the first na distributor na nag-register under you. Pero Sa pangalawa na po, for example, meron kayong na-share na kaibigan ninyo or ka-office mate ninyo or kasama ninyo sa church, no, sa community ninyo, bumili din po siya ng isang silver. So pag inilagay niyo po yan sa right side, okay, at nabasa ng system, meron ka ng isa sa left at meron ka ng isa sa right. So mag-pair po yan siya. Kaya tinatawag na pairing bonus. Okay, pag nag-pair yan siya, then you will get $80. Kasi 40% po ng point value. So ang silver po, di ba merong 200 point value? So 40% nun, kaya po yan $80. What if yung second level mo? Second level mo, ibig sabihin yung direct mo, nag-sponsor din, ano? Nag-sponsor din yung direct mo. So ang na-sponsoran niya, for example, a doctor, no? Gagamitin niya sa clinic niya, kaya bumili siya ng Pro. So diamond package po 'yun. So doon sa second level, if you can look at the screen, ang second level po sa left side niya is diamond. Okay? And then meron naman yung isang kaibigan mo na share niya yung another classic, no? So nilagay po 'yan sa right side. So pag nag-pair po ang diamond at silver, di ba ang diamond is 2,000, ang silver is 200. Magkano ngayon ang level pairing bonus mo? The system will base the computation on the lower point value, which is the 200. Kaya po ang makikita nyo po dyan is $80 ang magiging income. And then vice versa, no? Kung sa left silver, tapos sa right is diamond, lower point value pa rin, kaya $80. Pero if you will see, on the fourth level, pareha na silang diamond, no? Wala nang hirap sa computation kasi 2,000, 2,000, so yun ang magiging basis, 2,000 times 40%, kaya po yan $800. At ang maganda po nun, it is until infinity. As long as isa sa left at isa sa right, at first yan sa every level, first pair on every level, that is, makakakuha po kayo ng pairing bonus for that. Until infinity, when you say infinity, kahit na pang 100 level, 1,000 level, 10,000 level, wala pong problema yan. Kung makuha nyo po yan in one day, walang limit. Alright? So, yan po yon. At ang maganda po dito, yung first, second, and third, ito po yung third, no, yung pangatlo natin, lahat po ang tawag dyan fast track income. Kaya po siya fast track income kasi malaki po ang points at malaki po ang bonus na nakukuha natin dito sa three-way store na to. Kasi po, pag nag-i-start pa lang po tayo, usually yan po ang income natin. The company designed it for this compensation plan para po matulungan yung mga nag-i-start pa lang ng business. Alright? So as you do the business, syempre, ang hinahanap nyo po is mga business builder, no? Ibig sabihin, business partner po ang hahanapin natin dito. Hindi lang po tayo benta-benta. We are not just selling the product, but of course, we are selling the concept of the business. Kasi po, dito po, we are not salesman, okay? We are sharing the good news. No, para po sa mga taong na-bless na rin po nitong negosyo na to at naniniwala that they will earn also and enrich their lives, no? So, ang isi-share po natin dito is business. So, kung makakuha po tayo ng business partner, of course, ang gagawin din po niya is isi-share niya rin yung business concept. So, dahil po gano'n ang mangyayari, marami na po tayo, makikita na po natin na lumalaki na po ang team natin. It's not just you working, but of course, pati yung mga business partner mo is just duplicating what you're doing, no? So, kailangan po natin gawing na simple lang ang paggawa ng business para po duplicable po tayo. So kung gagayahin po tayo na nag-share ng business concept, ganun din po yung mga business partners natin. At ito pong group pairing bonus ay income po ito para dun sa mga gumagawa na ng negosyo. So kung makikita po natin, first, second, at third level, wala po tayong group pairing income dito. Pero on the fourth level, until infinity, hanggang pang 10,000, 100,000 na level, may income po tayo dyan. Sa left at sa right, pag nag-pair po yan, ang tawag po dyan is group pairing bonus. So, dito po nagmamatter kung ano ang inyong package na binili, no? Kung silver package lang po ang ang binili po ninyo, 8% po ang income ninyo for the group pairing bonus. That is equivalent to $16. Okay? Pero kung gold naman ang package ninyo, so 10% of that, no? That is $20. Pero kung diamond po ang inyong package, in every pair, in every group pairing bonus po ninyo, ang group pairing bonus po, nanggagaling na po ito sa production sa ilalim ninyo, no? Sa mga team po natin. So, 12%, that is $24. So, ang laki po ng difference from the silver at from the diamond, ano? Kasi $8 po yun. From $16, same effort, pag diamond ka, $24 na per pair. Kaya po marami dito na gustong mag-upgrade. From silver account, pwede naman po kayo mag-upgrade anytime to a diamond account. The same account na meron po kayo. Pag nakita nyo po na lumalaki na yung grupo ninyo or dumadami na po ang grupo po natin, mga team members natin, ibig sabihin it's time for us na mag-upgrade to a diamond account. Para instead of you earning $16, ang kikitain mo na is $24 per group pairing bonus. At ang maganda po dito is meron po tayong tinatawag na strong leg retention. Ang strong leg retention po, dahil nga po meron tayong auto placement nasa left. Kumbaga, every distributor has to contribute at least one na i-register sa left niya bago siya makapaglagay sa right niya. So parang automatically nagkakaroon tayo ng mas madami yung nasa left side natin. So mas marami tayong papartneran. So ang strong leg retention po is that kahit po na partneran na to, kunwari, kasi usually po daily ang bonus calculation. At saka meron po itong daily na cap for the income of the group pairing bonus. So kung napera na po yan siya, for example, for the diamond account, kung ang package mo is diamond at $3,750 ang limit per day. Wow, 3,750 times 55 pesos, no? That is 200,000 plus. All right, 200,000 plus per day ang income. So, if you can just compute that 200,000 times 30 days na lang, that's roughly 6 million pesos per month na potential income mo. At sabi ko nga, kung hindi ko kakilala ang kumikita nito, sasabihin ko, wow, parang imposible, no? Pero I saw it with my own two eyes. So naniniwala ako at nakikita ko talaga ang earning niya na nagma-max out siya every day. So meron talagang kumikita po dito ng 6 million per month. But that's a potential income for you, no? Hindi ko sinasabi na guaranteed income to kapag ginawa mo yung negosyo. Siyempre, ang income po natin dito, ang result po natin will be based on the effort at action na ginagawa po natin every day. Alright? So, kapag yan po is na max out, for example, this day, no, naka 3,750 ka ng napera, yan ang worth of group pairing bonus mo. Ibig pong sabihin, kinabukasan, pagising mo, mawawala lang po yung points na napartneran. But the balance will still be there. Alright? Na pwede mong partneran every day hanggang maubos yung points ng nasa left mo. So, other people or other network marketers dito na matagal na po, alam po ninyo na napakagandang feature ito ng ating compensation plan. Dahil ang ibang company po, nagpa-flash out sila. Sayang ang effort. Pero po dito, hindi po nasasayang ang effort at tulong po natin sa ating mga team members. Alright? So, yun po yun siya, the group pairing bonus. And the fifth one is the leadership bonus. Ayan. Ito po is sinatawag nating builder's bonus. Kasi bakit? If you are able to create a leader, no, nakapagturo ka ng mabuti, na duplicate mo yung sarili mo at yung direct mo, yung nasa family hierarchy mo, sabihin natin nagkakaroon na sila ng group pairing bonus nila. So tayo po, kung silver ang account mo, meron kang 4 levels. So ibig sabihin, sa level 1 na direct mo, meron kang 10%. Sa direct mo, meron kang 5%. Direct mo, meron kang another 5%, hanggang sa level 4 mo, meron kang 5%. So dito rin nagmamatter kung ano yung package mo, no? Kasi pag gold yan hanggang 5th level, pag diamond hanggang 6th level ka kumikita. So if you can just imagine, ano, ito po ang maganda dito, with one strong leg lang, hindi mo kailangan ng may partner dito, you can earn already, di ba? So if you were able to develop a leader na nagma-max out po siya, sabihin natin na nagto 200,000 per day siya, 'di ba? At direct mo yan siya, so may 10% ka. So ibig sabihin you are also earning 20,000 per day. Wow, 'di ba? At 600,000 per month, 'di ba? Hindi na ikaw 'yon, yung leader mo lang 'yon, 'di ba? Kahit wala pong pair. So ito po, leadership bonus is a mind-blowing also kapag inisa-isa po natin to, kung magkano talaga yung magiging income dito. So this is a passive income already. And another passive income is the uni-level bonus. Ang uni-level bonus naman po is nanggagaling sa maintenance, monthly maintenance natin. So tayo po as a distributor, if you want to be active, no, para po tayo merong monthly income sa mga group pairing bonus and the rest, yan po, meron po tayong tinatawag na monthly maintenance na $30. Ito pong $30 na to, hindi po ito napupunta sa company. Naku-convert lang po ito sa redemption points natin. Napupunta po ito sa redemption wallet natin. Ibig pong sabihin, naku-convert lang po ito sa points, which is later on, pwede po nating ma-redeem as a product. Okay, so if we can see here, ang $30 is equal to 21 point value. Ito naman po ang basis ng computation for the commission. You heard it right. Kasi po sa uni-level bonus, we are also earning from that. Kaya nga po kasama siya sa ways to earn. So we are earning 3%. Okay, so ayan po. Sa sponsored natin, ito po yung sample ng computation. Kaya po ito, pag meron kang dalawang group members mo, based on your family hierarchy, no, ito yung direct mo sa ilalim mo na nagne-maintain monthly. So kung dalawa yan na merong 21 point value, kaya po ito 42, kukunin po yung 3% niyan, kaya meron po kayong 1.26. Kung makikita nyo po, parang barya lang yan, ano? But if you were able to create a group, okay, siguro for some, no, 6 months to, for others, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, yung iba 10 years, no, bago magkaroon talaga ng isang malaking team. Oh, if you are able to generate 1 million group members at up to the 20th level, is nagme-maintain po. So wow, mind-blowing po ang income dito. It's 1.3 million dollars ang pwede mong kitain dito. But of course, it's too far-fetched, no? Parang unbelievable. So, what if ang kaya mo lang paniwalaan is 10%? That's all right. That's still malaki pa rin yun, ano? So, ganun po yun. At maganda po nito, ang uni-level bonus income po is already a passive income. Ang tawag ko po dito is pwede mo siya maging retirement fund, no? If you continue to do the business. At ang naturuan mo po ang mga distributors under you, o mga team members mo na mag-maintain din. So, I was able to witness, no? Ito po, katulad po nito, meron po sa Malaysia na sa isang buwan lang kumita ng $10,790 for that uni-level income alone. At ang maganda po dito, isa ang Philippines, no, sa top earner. Ayan, out of 10, 4 po galing sa Philippines ang nag-i-income. At nakakita na rin po ako ng $14,000 na uni-level bonus income. Alright, so ito po yon. At ang maganda po dito, hindi naman po tayo lahat is kailangan mag-maintain. Kung kayo po ay hindi naman active and you are just a user of the product or paminsan-minsan lang naman kayo mag-refer or mag-sponsor ng mga tao, so pwede po kayong hindi mag-maintain kasi pwede po kayong magkaroon ng income up to the every level pairing bonus, yung $80. But if you can see na lumalaki na po ang team ninyo, no, at nagkakaroon na po talaga kayo ng ng production, may mga leaders kayo under you, it's a must po for you to maintain. Anyway, hindi naman po yan nawawala. Naku-convert naman po yan into a point value. Mariridim po din yan natin later. So, yun po yung uni-level bonus income. Alright? And paano naman po yung susunod? Meron po tayong tinatawag na rank up bonus. Wow, ayan. So every time po that we are able to reach a certain position like 1-star manager and above, makakakuha po tayo ng one-time bonus. So for example, January 31 na ngayon, ano? And if you were able to reach the 1-star manager the following month, no? First day pa lang or first week pa lang of the following month, makakakita ka doon sa register wallet bonus mo na $300 kung ang na-reach mo is 1-star. What if 2-star naman, no? 600 register wallet naman yun. Pag 3-star, $900 naman, and so forth and so on. So, paano naman yan? Ano ba yung mga star-star na yan? Paano ko yan makukuha? So, eto po siya, ano? Para ka maging 1-star manager, kailangan meron kang dalawang direct na na-sponsoran na mag-accumulate ang grupo niya ng points ng 10,000 point value. Okay? So pag meron kang dalawang grupo na ganyan na galing sa family lineage mo, ibig sabihin ito yung direct ng direct ng direct mo, no? Parang ikaw ang nanay tapos yung anak mo nanganak, no? So yun yung direct ng direct mo at nagkaapo ka and whatsoever, kaya siya family. So eto po, pag meron kayong dalawang business partner na ganyan, within 1 month, okay, within 1 month na meron silang 10,000, 10,000 na production, okay, you will be a 1-star. At kapag meron ka ng, at kapag create ka naman yung dalawang direct mo na yon, next month naman, ano, sila naman yung na-create mo na nagawa mo din sila na 1-star, magiging 2-star ka naman. Kasi ang 2-star, meron siyang dalawang 1-star. So, ang 3-star naman, meron naman siyang dalawang 2-star. Ang maganda po nun, ang 2-star at 3-star, wala po yan siyang period. Ano? I mean, hindi mo kailangan within 1 month. So, for example, ngayon, nakapag-create ka ng 1-star. Okay? So, kunwari, future star ka pa lang or 1-star ka pa lang, nakapag-create ka ng 1-star under you, tapos, after 3 months pa, yung another direct group mo nag 1-star, okay lang yon. After 3 months, tsaka magiging 2-star, di ba? Or kaya, after a year pa, nakapag-create ka ng another 1-star, no? Yung pangalawa mong 1-star, after a year pa lumabas, then after a year ka pa rin magiging 2-star. So, wala pong problema. It doesn't have to be in 1 month. Ganun din po ang 3-star manager. Alright, so wow! So, aside from the one-time bonus, okay, meron po tayong tinatawag, syempre po, kapart ng one-time bonus is kung syempre ma-promote ka into Sapphire up to the Crown Ambassador. Sa Crown Ambassador po, hindi lang $300 ang one-time bonus natin. Ito po ay $16,000. Wow, ang laki, no, na rank up bonus. And aside from that, kapag po tayo ay naging Sapphire Director, kaya po dito, hindi lang yung ang pagiging 3-star manager, umpisa lang po yon. Okay, umpisang, yan lang po ang startup goal natin. Pero once we reach the 3-star manager, ang talagang target po natin is at least maging Sapphire Director. Kasi pag naging Sapphire Director po tayo, magiging ka-share na po tayo, magiging part na tayo ng pool ng bibigyan ng profit sharing bonus. Wow, ayan na po yung global profit bonus na tinatawag. Kasi bakit po? Kapag Sapphire Director ka up to the Crown Ambassador, ang company po, based on the gross global sales, it will get a 2.1% of that ng gross global sales at i-distribute po yan from Sapphire Director to Crown Ambassador. So that's gonna be monthly, no? Magkakaroon ka ng share sa gross global sales. Wow, hindi sa net ha, basta sa gross sales ng ating company. Isn't it amazing? Diba? So, yan po yan siya. So, this is not a cheap steak business. I am telling you po. I was able to see with my own 2 eyes na kumita po ng profit sharing bonus na worth $56,000 in just 1 month. Aside from the uni-level bonus na $14,000, aside from the nagma-max out every day, no, na yung 6 million. So napakalaki po talaga ng income in a month. Kung hindi ko po ito nakita with my own two eyes, kasi kaibigan ko po at mentor ko ang kumikita ng ganito, hindi rin po ako maniniwala. But I was able to see it. Kaya po talaga sabi ko, wow, this is not a cheap steak business. This is a big business. Alright, kaya po marami dito mga negosyante na may-ari na ng mga ilang kumpanya but still are doing this. You will be amazed. If you are able to understand the compensation plan, I I urge you po, aralin po ninyo yung compensation plan because this will really change your life. Ako po from a financial planner, okay, from a financial planner, nag ano po ako, nag-transfer po ako, nag-shift po ako into this kind of business. Kasi ito po, 'di ba, health naman ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito. At ang nakita ko po, because of this, ma-reach ko ang global market. Kasi as a financial planner, we are just confined sa Philippines. Pero ang nakita ko po dito, kapag ginawa ko po itong negosyo na to, kahit imagine, gumaling lang po ang husband ko from his frozen shoulder. At ako back pain lang po, no, sa aking back pain at insomnia. Okay, nag-improve lang po yung health namin and we were able to share the product. At nabigyan ko rin po ng libre ang aking mother. Dahil po sa kakagawa ko ng business, no, kakashare ko ng product, I was able to redeem one classic in 1 week time. So, naibigyan ko po ng free na iTera Care device ng Classic ang aking mother na meron pong osteoarthritis. So, ang mga products po dito, nagkaroon po kami ng premium. Ang ginawa po namin, ni-redeem lang po namin yon. Nagkaroon po kami ng Ion Shield, hindi po namin yan binili, ni-redeem lang po namin. Nagkaroon po kami ng Pro, ng Bio, lahat po yan. As we do the business, you don't have to buy for yourself. You just have to keep on accumulating the points na nanggagaling po doon sa mga sinishare natin ng mga products. No? So, yun po yun sa redemption. Napaka-powerful. And dahil po ngayon, ginagawa na po namin yung business, it really changed our life. We keep on traveling as a family. Kami po ng husband ko, we also travel a lot, no, because of this business. So, I urge you po to learn this business. Hindi po siya cheap na networking. This is not just an ordinary network marketing. Okay, so aralin po natin to and we will really change the lives also of other people. We will touch their lives as well. So ang ating pong vision dito, ang ating mission is to share one iTera Care device per household so we can bring life to every home, not just their health, but we will also improve or enrich their lives as well. Imagine po, in the Philippines alone, there's 26.39 million household. So isa lang po per household ang gagawin po natin ng ma-sharean and that will create a ripple effect, no? So napakalaki po nitong negosyo na to. And with that, I would like to end my business presentation and it's a good day to change lives. Good more earnings to everyone. Ayun. So, what time is it? If you have questions po, since wala naman po tayong question and answer portion with Dr. Ibay, I can end na po our presentation. I will give 5 minutes if you have a question. May it be a business or sa product, let me know po so that I can answer your question as well. Sige po, go ahead. If you have questions. Okay. Kung wala naman pong question, I can end na po our presentation. You can raise your hand. Okay. Or you can unmute yourself. Okay. All right. So, marami lang pong mga nag-chat-chat. Okay, so sa chat po natin, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat din po. For those who would like to have for those who would like to have the recording of this presentation po, please make sure that you are already a member of our iTera Care community group chat kasi doon po natin to ipopost. Alright? So, I guess wala naman pong question. So, that ends our, mawawala ba account mo kung hindi ka makapag-maintain for 1 month? Hindi po mawawala ang account natin. But pag 6 months na po tayo na hindi nakakapag-maintain, 50% of yung mga points po natin na nandun na generate, yun lang po yung mawawala. And then kapag 1 year na po tayo na hindi nakapag-maintain, yun na po yung 100% na mawawala. But your account is still there. Alright? So I just hope po that I answered your question. Okay. Sige, Miss Mai, can I have the product and business compensation plan presentation deck? Yes, it will be provided po sa ating iTera Care community group chat. Big thanks, Sir Rudy and Miss Mai. Two separate video ba ito, ma'am? Yes po, gagawin po natin na separate videos para po pwede po nating ma-present na product lang at saka another one naman po kung business lang. Okay. Yung deck mismo. Sure po. I-forward po natin yan. If mag-maintain ulit, how many months to pay? So for example po, you are active naman per month, so $30 lang po. Pero kung you've been inactive for so many months already, or kaya kahit isang buwan lang po kayong naka-miss out, you have to pay for $60. Ibig pong sabihin, you have to pay for $30 for the past months na hindi kayo active. And then for that same month, and then, kasi po, you also have to pay in advance. So, kunwari po ngayon, January 31, okay, nag-maintain kayo, inactive kayo for the past months. So, you have to pay for the January 31 and the past months, $30 lang po yun. And then, you have to add another $30 para po doon sa February naman. So, hanggang end of Feb, maintain po kayo if you pay $60. Okay, so $30 if you are active monthly, $60 kung naging inactive po kayo. Or nakita ninyo po na nag-zero yung maintaining days ninyo doon sa portal. Alright? Okay, thank you din po everyone. Ayan, so if more than 3 months hindi nag-maintain, $60 po ang babayaran if you want to be active. Yun nga po, ang maganda doon, yung $60 nyo, hindi naman yan mapupunta sa company. Mako-convert lang po yan into a points that you can redeem in the future. Alright, so I think that's it. Lahat naman po nasagot na natin. So, we'll see you. Yes. How much is the premium plus? It's $650 po ang premium plus. What do you recommend if I want to rank up as future star or 1-star manager? How many silver should I sponsor? Kung future star po, at silver, puro silver accounts lang po siya kasi 2,000, dalawang 2,000 na direct po ninyo. So 2,000 divided by 200, you need to sponsor 10 plus 10. So 20 silvers po ang dapat po ninyong ma-sponsoran. So maganda po maging future star kayo kung meron na po kayo mga business partners na active din. Alright? Kapag 1-star naman, 10,000, 10,000 sa dalawang direct groups nyo po. Ang kailangan ninyong ma-generate in 1 month. So, what do I recommend? Of course po, 1-star is, yun po yung maganda ninyong makuha, maging 1-star kayo. Kasi, pag naging 1-star po na tayo in 1 month, the following month, pwede na po nating tulungan yung mga under sa atin na mag 1-star din. At sa 1-star po, meron po kayong rank up bonus na makukuha. Kapag future star po kasi, wala kayong makukuhang rank up bonus, and at the same time, you will have to start all over again the following month. Okay po. So, yun po yun. Mas maganda po to target the 1 star. But of course, para hindi naman kayo ma-disappoint, baka mamaya kakasalin nyo lang. Tapos nag-goal agad kayo ng 1 star. Hindi naman po siya realistic. So, you will end up being disappointed lang. So, magkakapag 1 star po kayo kung meron na po kayong mga business partners under you. Yan po. Para po at least hindi lang po ikaw ang nagtatrabaho, no? Marami po kayong natutulungan at maganda po nun, marami po kayong nakikreate na future star under you. At least mga 4 po, 4 to 8 future stars po ang ma-generate po natin. Kayo po ba yung host sa Thailand, Miss Mai? Ay, hindi po. Marami pong nagsasabi na kamukha ko po yon, pero hindi po ako ang host. Bumunot lang po ako dun sa mga entries. Ayan, kumuha lang po ako ng 50 entries na mananalo doon po sa raffle natin. Pero hindi po ako ang host. Pwede po bang i-hand carry ang device if to travel local and abroad? Yes po. Nasa hand carry luggage po, pwede po yan. Kasi po, ang treatment lang po dito nila is like a hair dryer. Para lang po siyang ordinary hair blower para sa kanila. So wala po tayong magiging problema kahit po ilagay nyo po ito sa hand carry. Okay. So better to aim for 1 star, yes po. Just make sure that you have your business partners with you para po hindi kayo mahirapan. Singganda niyo po siya yung, ay, maraming salamat po. You're very honest. Maraming salamat po. And I'm sure malinaw po ang mata ninyo, no? Kasi gumagamit kayo ng iTera Care. Ayan. So maraming salamat po. Thanks sa pagbunot ng raffle tickets. I want 2 items. Yes! Go, Filipinos! Congratulations! Nakuha po natin ang grand prize at ang PWG at maraming mga minor prizes. Thank you so much, everyone. So that ends our presentation for today. I just hope to see you po next week. Good more earnings. God bless you all. Bye-bye.